Protesters are visiting the home of a controversial Texas judge tonight. Judge Sharon Keller is facing numerous judicial complaints after she closed her court to a last-minute appeal. All new at 6, KVUE political reporter Elise Hugh is live at our Capitol Bureau with the story. Hi, Elise.
Hi there, Tyler. Well, Keller is the presiding judge of the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals, and it was a decision she made in late September that sparked all this protest. For those on Texas death row, the State Court of Criminal Appeals is the court of last resort. And Judge Sharon Keller presides over the 9-member panel.
The people of Texas elected Sharon Keller to be the highest-ranking judicial officer that handles criminal cases in the state of Texas.
This September, the U.S. Supreme Court agreed to consider whether lethal injection was unconstitutional. Until the court resolves the issue, every U.S. execution has been put on hold, except for one.
Well, the tragedy was that a man was executed who shouldn't have been executed that night.
Texas convicted killer Michael Richard was set to die the same day the high court set its docket. His attorneys filed an appeal to Keller's court, but didn't get the filings in until 5:20.
Her response was, "We close at 5.
Richard was executed that night.
He certainly was guilty from everything we know about this case. But even the guilty are protected by the United States Constitution.
I think this is tragic on a host of levels.
Steve Hall works for death penalty reform.
It's stunning that it happened in the first place. It's amazing that it happened without consultation with the other judges.
It's prompted Texas lawmakers, attorneys, and advocacy groups to file nearly a dozen judicial complaints against Keller. Tonight, Scott Cobb and others will protest at her home.
She has violated the public trust that the people of Texas put into her when we elected her. And she's also damaged the integrity of the entire Texas judiciary system.
Keller is not commenting, but her fate is now up to a set of judges to decide. And as a result of this incident, more than 300 members of the Texas Bar have called for emailed filings to be allowed. We're live at the Capitol Bureau. Elise Hugh, KVUE News.
All right, Elise, thank you. We have some information that just came in a short time ago. The Supreme Court ruled to block an execution in Mississippi that was scheduled for tonight. The High Court has yet to issue a ruling on whether lethal injection is constitutional.